stirring it a little bit, and just so that get the lumps out, which is a little bit hard. Sometimes I gotta use a fork, but it works out okay. Okay, so this was coming out very thick, and I probably should have left it like that, but I try to stretch out my meals. So I added another 1/4 cup of milk, of almond milk. I'm just going to heat it up, continue to heat it up a little more and keep stirring. I stirred with a fork a little bit, broke up some of the lumps. And I think just by continuing to heat it, it dissipates a little. And but when you taste it, it's still coming out pretty cheesy. So, and I started out with a tablespoon of vegan butter substitute, and which is my favorite is Earth Bounce, and then I added that cheddar, the vegan cheddar, and let that melt in a little bit. Then I added a 1/4 cup of almond milk and mixed that in and broke it all up. Then I added the vegan my cheese spread that I make, which I make out of cashews, so you have to look for that recipe on another page. But then that, along with the nutritional yeast, and at first I started out with only a tablespoon of nutritional yeast, but then I added a second one, and I thought, well, maybe I'll make this a bigger serving. Then I realized I had some pre-made pasta. I'm going to use that, and then I don't have to cook too much more.